Welcome to Kiddie Morals. The magical seed of kindness. Once upon a time, in a charming village nestled amidst lush green fields and rolling hills, there lived two special friends. Gary, the playful goat, and Milo, the mischievous monkey. Gary and Milo loved exploring their village, where laughter echoed in every corner. One sunny day, while chasing butterflies near an old oak tree, Gary stumbled upon a mysterious seed. It shimmered with the colors of the sunrise. Gary excitedly called Milo, "Look what I found! A magical seed!" Curious Milo called Gary and asked, "What do you think it does?" Little did they know that this seed possessed a special power. As soon as Gary held it in his hooves, a soft voice whispered to them. The seed whispered, "Plant me with love and care, and I will share a magical surprise." Gary giggled and said, "Let's plant it right away." Gary and Milo dug a small hole, gently placing the seed in the ground. They watered it, sang to it, and showered it with kindness. Hey kiddies, can you sing along with Gary and Milo? Gary and Milo were singing, "Oh, little seed, we'll make you grow, with love and kindness, watch you glow." Days turned into weeks, and the seed started sprouting. It grew into a magnificent tree with branches that stretched high into the sky. As the tree flourished, something magical began to happen. Whenever someone showed kindness to others, the tree would grant them a special wish, making their dreams come true. The villagers received their wishes, like a baker receiving a bag of flour, or a child receiving a toy. Gary and Milo discovered that the tree's magic worked through the power of kindness. They decided to spread kindness throughout their village, helping everyone they met. Gary and Milo helped the villagers to carry heavy loads, shared foods, and were playing with the village children. Every day, the tree grew taller, and the magic of kindness spread throughout the village. Neighbors who were once strangers became friends, and the village blossomed with love and harmony. The villagers gathered under the tree, laughing and celebrating together. But one day, a sly fox named Felix noticed the magical tree and wanted its power for himself. Felix was lurking in the shadows. Felix devised a plan to steal the tree's magic and use it for his own selfish desires. Hey kiddies, can you guess what Felix's plan might be? But Gary and Milo, with their hearts full of kindness, knew they had to protect the tree. Gary and Milo were discussing a plan. Together, they rallied their fellow villagers and devised a clever plan to outsmart the sly fox. The villagers were working together to set a trap for Felix. With the help of their friends and their unwavering belief in the power of kindness, Gary and Milo successfully thwarted Felix's plan. Felix ran away, defeated. The magical tree stood tall, stronger than ever, and continued to spread its kindness and grant wishes to the villagers. Villagers became very happy and started celebrating with a joyful dance. From that day onwards, Gary and Milo knew that kindness was the most powerful magic in the world. They taught everyone in the village to be kind, and the village flourished with love and happiness. And so, children, remember that a little seed of kindness can grow into something magnificent. Always be kind to others, and you too will spread joy and make your village a better place. Moral: kindness makes the world a happier place for everyone.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this.